Hi, what is up YouTube? Thank you for tuning in. So today we are unboxing and reviewing the AstroAI tire pressure gauge. So here is your package. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. All right, so you have your thank you card, along with instructions to register your product in different languages, and you have a nicely elaborated user manual. All right, pretty neat. And now here is the device. So let's remove the wrapping real quick. So nice, you have a backlighted LED screen. It's nice that it is backlighted for night use, and the tip is also backlighted, and you have a button on the side that you can use to change the units. Has a really nice and slick design, but the whole thing is made of plastic, which I don't mind at all. At this price point, it's a nice package. So here I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's inside so you don't have to. Really easy to take apart. And here are the batteries that it uses. Great, pretty nice and simple design, and gives a pretty accurate pressure reading. So let's go ahead and go outside and see what it can do. All right, so car normal tire pressure is 33 psi. So let's go ahead and check it. Press the button. First, we're gonna use the button to set our unit psi, and then I can go ahead and put that on there for a second, and boom, I have 32 psi, which is low. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and fill this up. So I have a different one right here. This is a 2-in-1, a jumper and an air compressor. I'm gonna go ahead and check the pressure using this device and see how it compares with this one right here. So let's go ahead and turn that on. And this one shows 31 psi. It could be really close, but this one doesn't show the decimal number. Alright, so all done. When it comes to this device, I 100% recommend. This is something to have in your car. Great, keep your tire pressure in check.